Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your stepson to your family members on Facebook using your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can strengthen your family connections and share special moments with your loved ones on social media. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Facebook homepage. Step 2. Click on your profile photo from the top right corner and open your profile. Step 3. Click on About to access your profile information. Step 4. In the Family and Relationships tab, click on Add Family Member under Family Members. Step 5. Enter the account name of your stepson. Step 6. Select Stepson from the drop-down menu. Step 7. Finally, click Save to add your stepson to your family members on Facebook, and there you have it. Your stepson is now added to your family members on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your family relationships and stay connected with your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time.